Hello everyone, I'm Shinji Enoki. So now talk is state of CJK issue and focus on CJK problems. And so this talk is mostly CJK issue and Japanese community situation. And so last is the next Asian conference. And I'm also LibreOffice Japanese team member and membership committee deputies. Okay, and so many so other committee. And now living in Setsu City, very small area close to Osaka. And this year I moved to Nishinomiya to Setsu. So close. About 1 hour per car, by car. And this Osaka and Kyoto and Kobe and Kansai Airport. So around the area. Okay. And what CJK issues? So my question, so CJK is first time, yeah, word was already no, already? Okay, thank you. Yes, very simple. So CJK is a China, Japanese, and Korean language. And sometimes including Vietnamese, but now Vietnam is not using Chinese character. And so, for example, in Japanese and traditional Chinese and mainland China and Korean. Korean is, I don't know, correct what, not correct. And so I joined LibreOffice Conference. And so this is I equal I, so different character, but same, same mean. And Sanka is joining is the same, Japan and China. But and character face different. It's important point. So this and this, so Chinese character, so simplified and traditional, so typeface is different. Same mean, but and same, it's same problem. It's more complicated. It's very simple. Yeah.
The theory is a relative term.
Yeah. So yes, this is very important because and this template is original template is setting is Chinese. I typing Japanese, but typeface is Chinese. Oh my God. It's now, and now changing settings template language. Okay, and this is next decade manifest very old time, so create the TDF. Now we using, and so one sentence is to support the revelation to mother tongue. It's very important for us. Yeah. And CJK function. But CJK function is so many. So explain is very difficult to short time. And so vertical writing and Ruby phonetic guide and line composition or multi-byte character or input method and calendar or more. And so, and one case is vertical writing, and writer vertical writing is very simple. So, uh, so page settings, and so all document is vertical writing. Is very simple. Usually, this type document is a novel in Japan. Business document are almost so left to right, not top to bottom. But novel and newspaper sometimes using so this model. But so vertical writing, so many function has vertical writing. So for example, so graph or shape or frame. So many, and sometimes so changing the function. For example, frame function is changing only frame vertical writing broken. Other vertical writing okay. It's common. And justification is line adjustment. So line end. So adjustment options. Now 3 options we have. And this is so. And this is option on is correct. And option off case is this. So line top line top is this mark is not good. And so control to the end is automatically option. And now so good situation, but not perfectly, because and this is also not straight the character, and it's not perfect. But maybe this is not bug. It's also not specific specific problem. Yeah, not covering.
So maybe it's following the standard specification, but the specification is not perfect in itself.
No, W3C specification is okay, but so not following the W3C standard. Okay. And so sometimes so Chinese and Japanese so different the position, and so dot position is Chinese is almost center, but Japanese right and top position. It's different. And you can checking the so W3C requirement documents for Japanese and for Chinese and for Hangul, Korean. And Ruby documents and separate another document. Now, so this document is not finished, progress to the maintenance. My friend, so Japanese version maintenance. And this is an old book, but sometimes so useful in and CJK so O'Reilly document. Maybe this is now free in the PDF. Okay. And so fix CJK bugs so in the past. Okay, so but so previous so now using so tracking the CJK meta bug in this, and each language so bug metabug we have, but almost not using, almost so CJK metabug using. And so communication channel, so nothing, but we have one channel is so CJK Telegram channel, but not active. It's problem. But if you want, so please so sending the using the CJK Telegram channel. And the fixed case is I found yeah. And this is for vertical writing, and sometimes it's not always. Sometimes so this line is double. It's problem. I don't know reason, but so overlap two lines. Now fix Jonathan. Thank you, Jonathan. Yeah. And so another case, PDF export. This is so similar as a so overlapping problem, but this is only PDF export time. Original document no problem, but PDF export is overlapping. And okay, already finished. And Jonathan, thank you. And what happened?
I'm noticing a pattern involving content.
Thank you. Okay. And I think this is a future request, and I'm not checking the detail, but so I reading the Bachelor. So this is a so Microsoft Office feature, and so Ruby is various variations. So strings for the strings Ruby, each characters Ruby, so 2 types, and this function is so for strings to character changing the functionality, and this button is on is a so split the each character Ruby. Now maybe so I reading the Bachelor in fix. Jonathan already fixed. Okay, thank you. This is very convenient. Oh, sorry. And this is not CJK function, but so it's a crash bug and using Ruby. But already finished, fixed. And so Stefan is bye-bye sect, and so Michelle fix the bug. Yeah. And not fixed, for example, so not fixed bug. One bug is this is so numbering symbols, but input the alphabet or so character insert its problem. So position is yes shift. It's big problem in Japan because so this future is many people using business document. Okay. if okay, next. Okay, and other case, it's not critical, but very interesting work in the only Windows, and you can typing the Japanese, but so this over the this is the so all the entry character, but display only one cell. So and then so enter and this all character display. Not a big problem, very minor problem, but very interesting. Why? And another case is so this is so import doc file case, and very old time no problem. So, but now so why so space including the space? I don't know. It's it's not good. Like it's import issue. Yeah. Yeah. And now, so Jonathan joined the great news. He has already solved some problem. And other hand, so there are not many CJK volunteer developers. For example, Mark Han, so all the time he sometimes fix the CJK bug, but maybe he is now busy. Yeah. And we want to get so more CJK volunteer. Okay, and next topic, Japanese community. So, but very casual the topic, and now Japanese community so started in 2010, but so veteran team, but now so 4 or 5 years, so changing the almost member. So reason is so each person different the reason. But so sometimes so one case is conflict is the committee. It's a problem. Yeah. And there are some new contributor. Very so natural to join. Okay. And translation is a UI translation. So in 93%. Master is so. But its problem is helping. So 49%. So version up times so percentage is down. It's problem. Yeah. And ask LibreOffice. So Japanese so forum is so using the committee member. We every week we checking the Hackfest time, but already so 2 or 3 questions per week. And sometimes nothing. Sometimes 4 or 5. Yeah, average or 2 or 3. And Japanese team, okay, now the time depends. Okay, Japanese team is so part of the Japanese communication committee. It's not equal, very small team, and communication with the other organization or so global community connection. And J event organize and community so support. But now only 2 active members, so Meguro-san and me. It's not a good situation. Of course, so another 2 people sometimes active. One person already talked, Anora-san. Yeah. Okay. And so time, but I want to demo. Okay. Sorry. Which? Sorry. Oh, sorry. This. Okay. 2.4. Okay. So this problem is only Japanese is no problem, but including. Okay. Oh. Okay. This is no problem, but enter it's problem. It's not a good situation. Okay. Pointer. Pointer. どこ行った? Okay. Okay. Sorry, pointer. It's this guy. Okay. And 30. Okay. And sorry, go back to Japanese situation. And communication is mailing list and Telegram. And almost now Telegram, but translation discussion mostly mailing list. And sometimes so we discussion the online hack phase and decided. And events is almost online now because so organized only 2 members. And so Meguro-san and I so living cities so far. Yeah. And mostly we focus the online hack fest, weekly online hack fest, 1.5 hours only. And firstly, so ask website, try to answer. After, go to WebRate and UI translation. And sometimes so reporting bug or bug triage. And second is a study meetup for the user, how to use LibreOffice session. And so mostly 3 or 4 months per each 3 or 4 months. And maybe 3 times per year. And So annual event, similar the study meetup, but focus topic is not only use case, user how to use, and using almost same Jitsi Meet and YouTube Live, Hackfest, study meetup, LibreOffice, same method. And this is a Jitsi Meet site, and this year keynote is Franklin. And only one event is offline, face-to-face in very small meetup, but monthly. I continue the 8 years monthly event. Now, together another meetups, joint meetup, open hours. For example, this, yeah. He is a coffee specialist, so he selling the coffee. Yeah, and other people, many people. But this case is so many. But some cases very few, 3 or 4. Yeah. And not only LibreOffice, open data or open source or many topics, discussion, event. Okay. And this is maybe skip. And LibreOffice Asian Conference in Taiwan, already finished. This is COSCAP is a similar the FOSDEM event in Taiwan, and one track is LibreOffice tracks, and yes, Italo and Rota and Sevante or European is 3, yeah. Another is Taiwanese and Indonesian or Japanese, almost 3 countries. Yeah. And now we have 3 times Asian conference, Japan, Indonesia, Taiwan. And what's next? And it's difficult to another location searching. Okay, next time is the second round in Japan. I hope another Asian contributors will join us. Hello. Okay. Yeah. And conclusion. I introduced you CJK futures and issues, and share the situation of the Japanese community. And we are planning next year Asian conference. And please help us and join us. Thank you. Time over. Question? Okay. Okay.
Two quick points. One is the regression Shinji mentioned between version 7.6 or something and what we have now. This is a direct result of a combination of not enough testing on one hand, and not a large enough community which notices things and reports them right when they go into the product, because it's been several releases since then already. That's one point. The other point is that the bug you just demonstrated actually relates to one of the two challenges that I was mentioning before. I won't go into the details now, but I'm sure I'll speak to Shinji about this afterwards, because it's like at the tip of a large iceberg.
Question? What? Not, nothing? Okay. Thank you.